Hey, what's up guys? It's Jamie here. Thanks for joining me in today's video. So what I'm talking about today is something that when I implemented this in my business, I was able to go from not much to well over 10 grand per month and growing. And it is something called the law of parsimony. Now, before I get into that, if this is the first time on the channel, I just want to say a very warm welcome to you. My name is Jamie. I cover internet marketing, affiliate marketing, how to get started online. I specialize in the conversion of high-ticket affiliate marketing products. If any of that's of interest to yourself, I invite you to hit that subscribe button. Feel free to smash that bell icon to stay up to date with everything I'm putting out. Now, if you're also interested in taking your affiliate results and ramping them up a little bit, feel free to check out the free case study. It shows exactly how I was able to go from 0 to over 10 grand per month online using nothing but my Facebook profile and a product that I really believe in. Right, all that out of the way. What is the law of parsimony? It actually, another way of calling it is Occam's razor. And basically the principle is this: don't add complexity if it's not a necessity. That's pretty much it in a nutshell. Now, you might have heard the kind of doctrine that's been thrown around for a while. It's a bit of a cliche, which is basically that the simplest answer is more often the best. And so that actually applies to business. Now, I'm going to share a little tale with you guys. When I was a struggling affiliate, it wasn't that long ago, probably about this time last year actually. And at that time I had been an affiliate since around about 2011, and I'd done a whole bunch of different stuff online. I'd run ads, I'd basically, you name it, I've pretty much given it a shot, and I've spoken about this on some of my other videos as well. But what happened was I started working with someone, and basically they said, Jamie, listen, you're doing like 11 different things per day. Like, how do you, where's the revenue coming from, man? Like, what are you doing? Why are you doing all this stuff for? It's crazy. And I kind of took stock of what I was doing on a daily basis. And like I say, it was around about 11 things per day, which in the grand scheme of things probably doesn't sound that much. But if you think about it from an affiliate marketing standpoint, if you're trying to put your energy into a bunch of different avenues on a daily basis, the problem is that you're wearing yourself thin. You're not focusing and you're not concentrating on a couple of tasks that you can perform well. You're trying to do a lot of stuff and usually not doing them that well either. And so again, referring back to the law of parsimony or Occam's razor, it's basically that the simplest thing is often the best. So what happened for me was my mentor and I, we stripped away all the layers of my business. Stripped everything away, like a big onion. Got rid of all the stuff that wasn't necessary. And in the end, we're left with basically 4 steps, which is quite literally producing content just like this. Number 2 is going and finding my audience, reaching out and having a conversation with my audience, and then selling. That's it. 4 steps, nice and easy. And what that did for me was created a bunch of mental space, because instead of me trying to chase my tail and, you know, that old saying of the hound that chases 2 rabbits catches none. Well, that was me. And then when I started chasing the 1 rabbit, I caught it pretty quick. In fact, it took me 7 days to have my first $1,000 day online. I had another one the next day, and like I say, I had my first $10,000 month, and it's sort of blown up from there. So what I'd suggest to anyone that's out there, you're still looking at creating the perfect logo for your website, or you're still doing research here on YouTube and you're trying to find the right way to do stuff, just start. Just make a start, and just remember that simplifying your business and simplifying what you're doing is going to push you further ahead and allow you to focus on the couple of things that you need to be doing on a daily basis to produce revenue for your business. So anyway, hopefully that helps a couple of you guys out. I really appreciate you tuning in. If you got any value from this, feel free to hit the old like button, drop a comment, let me know your thoughts, and if you're interested in that case study, check that out below. Thanks very much for joining me, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.